Hello Professor, this is Imran. In this video I am going to explain how to do k-means clustering in Spark on Cloudera Hadoop platform. For this, as said in the document, I have taken the virtual machine and I have imported the Cloudera virtual machine. And as we know that clustering algorithms are unsupervised and they are used to group together the items which are similar. And for this we use k-means clustering algorithm, and k means how many clusters we are going to form. And usually this clustering is performed before classification, so as to classify any class of any output variable. And it finds distances between points and try to get all the points in a cluster, and it performs the loop for number of times which we specify, and then finally it will calculate the sum of distances from each center of the cluster, and it makes sure that the distances of each point from its center and its sum of all the points in each cluster should be minimum. And for this we have get the data set of called segment challenge, and we have two data sets. One is for training and one is for testing, and this is segment challenge.txt and test challenge.txt. Here as we can see here, I have imported this I have taken this project k-means algorithm.scala. I have created this object and have imported the scala library, and we can see here we have defined all the configuration parameters and the training data where it is stored. I have given it as user Spark input file, segment challenge, and the prediction data. And then we have here the header. Since our data contains the header, we are trying to see that the header is removed when it is doing the algorithm. And then we have here mentioned at the end the number of clusters we need to see. We can change this accordingly, and it is according to the problem. And for this problem we have given as 3, and number of iterations as 20. And if you can see here, we have created this directory user Spark input file, and then here is our segment text and the test challenge.txt. Both are mentioned here. How I created this project is first I have first went to this project and created a mammal project by right clicking on here, and went to file and created this mammal project. And then I have mentioned it as clustering, and project name as k-means, and the ID we have specified as clustering. And then we have added the scala, configured the scala path so as to detect this scala program, which so as to detect this Java program in the scala. And we have changed here the 2.0. Here we have scala library container as 2.0, so I will go to properties and I will take this 2.10 as we have specified those versions in the pom.xml. To run this program, we need to add the dependencies. We will add this as an XML file here, pom, and make sure that this XML file acts as dependency for running this program, and we have to make sure that we have got the same versions as we have here. When we change these versions, again the path is being built again, and then we can run. Here we can see whatever the update we have made, it will take the occurrence annotations and update the path. As you can see here, we have added these dependencies out of common Spark machine learning library, and Spark core library. So this version should match with our version, so I've added this as dependencies. Now we can run this as a Scala application. As you can see here, now the k-means algorithm has been launched. As we can see here, now the k-means algorithm has been started, and it is using the Spark version 1.6.0. Now we can get to see all the three clusters and the points where for each cluster belongs to. The Spark driver has been started. The clusters can be seen here, and we can also see these sum squared errors of the distances of each point from the cluster. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity. Unfortunately, my camera is not working. Please excuse me for this. Thank you.